In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Google Drive folder to Dropbox. This process is simple and effective, making it easy to transfer your files while keeping everything organized. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the search results appear, look for the official Dropbox link. It should be among the top results. This step is crucial because clicking on the correct link ensures that you are accessing the authentic Dropbox site, which is important for your account security. Once you find the right link, go ahead and click on it to open the Dropbox homepage. Here you will see options to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, you will need to log in. Next, enter your credentials to log in. This means typing in your email address and password associated with your Dropbox account. If you have forgotten your password, you can follow the prompts to reset it. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to your files and allows you to perform uploads. After logging in, look for the Upload button located at the top of the screen near the search bar. This button is usually prominently displayed and easy to find. Clicking on it opens a drop-down menu with various upload options. This is an important step because it directs you to the specific actions needed to import files from Google Drive. From the Options menu, select Import from Google Drive. This selection allows you to directly import files and folders from your Google Drive account into Dropbox. It's a time-saving feature that simplifies the transfer process by avoiding the need to download files to your computer first. When you click on Import from Google Drive, you may be prompted to sign in and authenticate your Google account. This is necessary to allow Dropbox access to your Google Drive files. Make sure you enter the correct credentials for the Google account containing the folder you want to upload. This step is vital to ensure that you can access the right files without any issues. Once you are authenticated, you will proceed to the Dropbox Import menu. Here, you need to check the Keep Folder Structure box. This option is critical as it ensures that your files maintain their original organization when uploaded to Dropbox. Without this step, your files could become mixed up, making them harder to find later. After checking the box, you can proceed with the upload. This action sends the selected folder from Google Drive directly to your Dropbox account. It may take a few moments, depending on the size of the folder and your internet connection speed. Finally, wait for the completion of the upload. You will see a progress indicator showing the status of your upload. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. This reassurance confirms that your files have been successfully transferred and are now available in your Dropbox account, ready for you to access anytime. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded a Google Drive folder to Dropbox. By following these steps, you can easily manage your files across these two powerful platforms. Thank you for watching.